Hi everybody, Russell Markham here from VectorVest. Please refer to our financial services guide for more information. You can see all of the appropriate numbers there, ARBN, as well as authorized rep numbers there. Just on the next slide here, as always, any advice is general advice. You should consider whether the advice is suitable for you and your personal circumstances, right? We cannot take those into account. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Forecasts and back tests used or discussed in this presentation are intended as a guide only, and actual results may be affected by known or unknown risks and uncertainties, and therefore may differ materially from the results ultimately achieved. All right, with that said, let's hop out of here. So what I've done this week is I've gone to viewers. All right, so just to show you, if you click on the viewers tab, and on the left there's trading system viewer, or if you wish you can click here, trading system viewer. And what I've done here is I've clicked on year to date, YTD. I'll just free up some space here. Here we go. So you can see year to date returns. If I bring this across over here, 10 stock model portfolio, it's done it again. All right, so it's right up there for 2021. Now, just bearing in mind, this is as of 14 December 2021. So it looks like it's probably going to win for the year of 2021. 10 stock model portfolio, followed by the income, followed by the Australian blue chip dividend payers portfolio. This portfolio is available for those of you that have done the Ultimate Retirement Solutions course. It's part of that portfolio there. Okay, so 10 stock model portfolio, the income portfolio, and what you can do for each and every one of these portfolios that does not require a course. These two here do not require a course. You can click on the trading system details, and it'll bring up all the details for you. So you can see here's the trading system rules. If you click on that, it'll give you all the details behind the trading system rules, and you can effectively check out all the given returns. So some very impressive returns there, and if I scroll down a bit more, you can see all the different current holdings. Okay, so that's one way of checking everything out. If I close out of here, the other way you can go and find it is per the portfolios tab. And in here, if I click on, let's say, 10 stock model portfolio. Now, just on this, when you first click on the portfolios tab, you'll be greeted by this standard layout here. Okay, so then you can come into here to say, okay, well, go to the VectorVest portfolios, and there we are. And then in here we are, 10 stock model portfolio. I can click on that and fire it up. All right, so you can see this is the current holdings at the moment. And you can see a beautiful equity curve that's taken place over the years. And then if you come into here, you can click on reports and you can view the trade history. So all the different trades that have taken place. And you can also look at the summary report. It's very useful. The summary report shows you an overall snapshot as to what's taking place. All right, so those great returns, look at that, 47% of the trades are winning trades. So you might be saying, well, hang on, less than 50% of the trades are winning trades, but the idea is that when you have a winning trade, you win well relative to the amount of trades that you lose. So you lose a small amount and you make a bigger amount on average, and if you do that over and over again, then over the years it certainly stacks up. This portfolio here averages about 2 trades a month. Okay, 2 trades a month for some pretty spectacular returns. You can see over here, scroll down a bit more, you can see exactly what takes place. All right, so in here you can check out exactly what takes place each and every day. It's very handy. So 10 stock model portfolio certainly done very well. The other one that's done incredibly well this year has been the income portfolio. Okay, so if I click on the income portfolio, and here we are. So income portfolio, load this one up here, and here we are. Here's the equity curve. You can see what has been held in recent times. So currently just holding these 2 stocks. Okay, now you might be looking at the VectorVest portfolios and saying, well, hang on, there's 1 or 2 portfolios here that are noticed in the trading system viewer that I'm not seeing in the portfolios tab, the VectorVest portfolios tab, and I'd also like to track them here, because the portfolios tab allows me to run, the trade history, and I can view a summary report and a transaction log. It gives me a lot of functionality. that functionality is not as much in the trading system viewer. The trading system viewer gives you a snapshot as to what's taking place. So here's a very handy technique I'm going to share with you. If you have a look at the Portfolios tab and you're seeing VectorVest Portfolios, all right, so you can see 6 in total, but there's a few that are not in here that are on the trading system viewer. Now, depending on whether you've done a course or not, some of these will require a course, but let's say you have come along to the Growth and Income Investor course and you now want to start tracking this one here, and you want to be able to get all the reports and whatever have you. What you can do here is you can do this. You can click on Paper Trade in Portfolios, and then you can click Follow in Portfolio Manager. Click on that, and then I'll click Open Portfolio Now. Now watch what happens here. Here's VectorVest Portfolios. It's now in here for you. Right, so if I pull this out a bit here, okay, you see it's got a recycle bin. I can take it out. I can't take the others out because those are there for everybody. This is an optional one that I've put in. Now I can follow the Growth and Income Investor Income Portfolio, and I can now get all the different reports and whatever have you. So it's incredibly handy. Right, let's do that again. So if I go back to Viewers, and let's pick on another one that's not there, VectorVest's fastest growing stocks. All right, let's click on Paper Trade in Portfolios, and then we'll click on Follow Portfolio Manager. Open the portfolio now, and there you go. Look at that, VectorVest's fastest growing stocks. Now you can track that via the VectorVest Portfolios each and every day. Right, so you can go back and repeat the process and add in all the portfolios that you're after, and you've got a one-stop shop that you can come in each and every day to track these. Okay, don't forget, of course, you can set up your back tester, run your back tests once you're happy with it. So for example, the Australia Worry-Free Top Earners, as we teach via the SMSF Wealth Creator course. Once you're happy with it, you can then of course click Convert, and it'll convert it over into the Portfolios tab under My Portfolios. That's where your conversions move over to, and that's another way that you can keep an eye on your custom built portfolios. But for now, for 2022, keep an eye on these model portfolios and the other portfolios that you may wish to add in to the VectorVest Portfolios. This is a great starting point to keep an eye on these great portfolios to get some ideas for 2022. So get yourself set up ready for 2022. We hope you got a lot of value out of this. Until next week, bye for now.